Let's find x together. If 5x minus 7 equals 18, we are to find x. 5x minus 7 equals 18. The first thing we will have to do is to collect the like terms by bringing -7 here. And when negative crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. That way we have 5x to be equal to 18 plus 7. So this will give 5x equals 25. Now we can divide both sides by 5 and x will be equal to 5. So if 5x minus 7 equals 18, x is 5. We can check this by putting 5 here. So this will give 5 times 5. We say 5 times 5, then minus 7. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 7 will give 18. So that means we are correct. X is 5.